ngaphezu kwezindlu lezi
Isingaphezulu isimbozekile.
ingasabonakala wajabona la usimala wafika naphezulu nakubona shona khona
Sawumbhaqele.
Semasifika la ngafika already amanzi selaphezulu. Ngangena ngisazabula imezwe
Manje uhamba kuphi?
ngihamba la.
kuyahamba amanzi aphi ngaloko ala isikhalwe
Asela already la kimi. Umakhelwane lo ngezansi ukhona khona la.
lapha khona isitulo
Yes.
Bekunendlu lapho.
Yes, benendlu lapho because uze wathuswa ukuthi indlu iqulu yawo.
ephakathi
Yes, ephakathi.
akavuki
Ngoba esevuka yena ngesikhathi sela amanzi besela.
njengoba sambelwe izo zonke izinto esinazo siyazi ukuthi kuhambe namaphilisi kuhambe nemithi kuhambe nakho konke abakhona abanye abashayekile bathinteka but bangalitholi ithuba lokuthi bahambe baye esibhedlela noma eklinikhi so sibese sithi cha asilethe ama-services la eduze ukuze nizokwazi ukuthi imithi niyithole eduzane khona kungabi khona ozodefaultayo ozodefaulta but nabadinga ukubona odokotela nonesi sikwazi ukuthi sibabonele eduze senisindile emanzini akufanele bese seniyashona nibulawa ukuthi benigula noma benishayile ninganakekanga.
There is no doubt that that's the top priority, water and sanitation. And of course, the issue of crowding. As we can see also in this facility where a number of people are taking shelter, children, adults, including just a newborn baby. The people here indicate also basic things like sanitary towels, those kind of items, including food items. So we will be working together, as a team to make sure that all the urgent matters which people, need assistance on. And we hope that even shelters like this will not be for long, that we can find alternative places where families can be accommodated.
The Premier has instituted an interministerial committee on disaster management, and in that committee you have a number of social departments that sit on it, because the intention is exactly that you must be able to respond together as government. People will think when we say resources we want money. No, indeed we just want the physical resources, we want the human resources, we want people to donate a lot of more tankers so that we can be able to move water around. That is what we ask for, and that is what government wants to do together with the private sector.